Yo, what up? It's your boy Naftali El Naft, rapper, hashtag Black Essence. Welcome to Naftali's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make spaghetti with meatballs. Tasty. Stay tuned as I cook this delicious meal and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Just as I was watching this video, subscribe down there, just down there. Yeah, let's get to it. Let's get it! With me are the ingredients. We have our coriander here. We have our garlic. We have our bell pepper, or some might call it capsicum. We have our tomatoes, only 3. We have our minced meat, which I'll be using to make the meatballs. And lastly, we have our spaghetti with cooking oil. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so first of all, I'm gonna start by washing my minced meat. Just get the rings there. Now when I'm done, I dry it first of all. Next, I'm gonna wash every single ingredient and chop them up. You see I'm washing everything. Now don't clean being washed. Nicely done. Chopped my coriander, now we chop them tomatoes. I start with an incision in the middle, then I chop them into thin, fine slices. For the mincemeat, I add a little bit of bell pepper. Then I add a little bit of garlic. After that, I add a little bit of salt and black pepper. Hey! Then I gently mix to get a mixture. Afterwards, I take the mincemeat and roll them up to balls, just like it. Anyway, so guys, I'm making meatballs. As you can see, I just described making small. It's not a must, it's Oshani. It's the hot sour. So I made my meatballs, as y'all can see. Now it's time for frying. Before frying the meatballs, first of all, sprinkle some flour onto them so that they can get that crispy brown taste and look. remember not deep frying the meatballs, you're just slightly frying them. Next time we're gonna cook our spaghetti, so pour some cooking oil into warm water, then pour your spaghetti in and wait for it to cook. Next time we're gonna make the meatball stew, and we're gonna start off by frying them onions. So after the onions have turned golden brown, add some garlic. After stirring for some few minutes, add the tomatoes and salt. A little bit of salt, not so much. Cover the pan and wait for it to simmer. Add a little bit of salt. I added a little bit of spice. I chose garam masala. You can add any spice you want. From there, I added a little bit of bell pepper onto the solution. And now for the guys who boil the spaghetti and it had excess water, you don't need to pour it away. You can just pour it into this paste and it will preserve the spaghetti taste. Anyways, let's get to it. The solution until it simmers perfectly well. Let the sauce boil until it becomes thick, then throw in the meatballs. After boiling the meatballs into the sauce for 30 minutes, add a little bit of coriander. Boil the mixture until the meatballs get the rich scent of the sauce. And here we go, I'm done for the end product. Anyways guys, this is a dish that I made. It's called spaghetti with meatballs. It's tasty too. Anyways guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below. I'll put my links. Go watch my other YouTube videos. Trust me, you'll like them. Anyways, it's your boy Naftali El Naf the rapper, #Black Essence, signing out. See you later.